Oh man. What a nice day.
Get over here, Thunder Baby.
Are you kidding me? Wait. What is that sound? We should check it out.
Hello? Hi? Who are you?
I'm Thunderbolt and this is 1003.
He's actually my Thunder Baby.
Nice to meet you. I am Stormwatcher. I was sounding a test. I am into storm chasing, so that is why they call me Stormwatcher. And they even made me from recycled metal.
That's pretty awesome.
And now, get over here, Thunder Baby.
Ha.
I wonder which siren I will prank this time.
Oh hello.
Hey. Who the heck are you?
I am Stormwatcher. They call me that because I am into storm chasing. And they even made me from recycled metal.
Recycled metal? Oh wait. How about I call you scrap metal? That was so funny.
Hey. Don't call me that. He is actually right. I do look like scrap metal. I think it's from my gray color. Wait. I have an idea. I could get repainted.
Hey there. Wait, who are you?
I am Stormwatcher. And you?
I am Model 5. Nice to meet a newcomer like you.
Thanks. And could you paint me yellow? My gray paint makes me look like scrap metal.
Of course. All done.
Thanks Model 5.
No problem.
Oh hey. Who are you? I am Stormwatcher. They call me that because I like storm chasing. And who are you? I am T22. I am a dual-toned tornado siren from Federal Signal. Nice to meet you T22. Same.
Hey guys, and who are you?
I am Stormwatcher. And who are you?
I am Alerter. Nice to meet you.
Same.
Hey everyone. And let me guess, you are Stormwatcher.
Exactly. How did you know?
Thunderbolt told me.
Cool. And who are you?
I am Canister. I am a tritone omnidirectional siren based on a rotational tritone siren named Tri-Blaster.
Wait. I am detecting a storm coming.
Really?
Yes. It's coming from over there.
How the heck can you detect storms?
They installed a radar in my controls and it can detect storms approaching. Oh my god. It's a tornado. And holy crap. The sirens are going off.
Oh god. There is a tornado coming towards us. We gotta sound the sirens and take cover. Wait. I hear a siren that doesn't sound like a thunderbolt or a modulator. I wonder what that could mean.
It's a new siren called Stormwatcher. Thunderbolt told me. And Stormwatcher is 10 port. So that's why it sounds different from the other sirens.
Let's hope that warning will keep everyone safe. Okay, now that the tornado is gone, I should check to see if there is any remnants of the storm still there. Okay, the storm is gone.